Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about a face mask which I got from Walmart. And I have been to Walmart after so long and I was so surprised to find so many new things there, and I grabbed bunch of them, and I plan on making videos on all of those products, and those are like really affordable and it comes from Walmart, so it's easily available for everybody. So the mask I'm talking about today is this face mask. It's called Masqueology BFF Beautiful Face Forever 4-in-1 mask system. And the thing which drew me towards this mask was it has like 4 different masks for different areas of your face. So I'll show you the up close view. So that's how the this mask looks like. You can see there are like different kind of masks for different areas. You have charcoal mask for your nose, you have under eye gel pads, you have like clay mask for your T-zone, and a peel off gold mask for your cheeks and chin. So that's how this thing looks like, and I think this was for $3.50, and it was cheap, like, and I want to see how it feels like, and I mean what my skin responds like after applying this mask. So at the back you can see all the details and steps. So I'm gonna follow all these steps today, and I'll put on this mask and share my views with you guys. So guys, if you see instructions here, these are all the steps, and it says apply for 15 to 20 minutes. And what I want to do is I want to do my face first, and then I'll put on these eye gel pads, because I don't know if they'll stay if I put them on first. So I'll be starting off with like step 2, and at last I'll be doing step 1. And this thing is like perforated. You can like totally remove the mask and separate them from one another, and if you just want to take one of these with you, you can totally do that. So likewise you can separate this thing too. So everything is like perforated, and you can remove all the masks from one another, and each pack has like instruction at the back so that you don't miss them. So I'll start off by the second step. It's like nose thing, and this is mask for your nose. It's a peel off mask. So that's how the product looks like. It's black jelly kind of thing. And it smells like Elmer's glue. So it has like very strong scent of glue. Guys, I want to put it on little thick because I want it to like, you know, peel off properly. And thicker it is, more more easily it will get peeled off. Otherwise you get residue. And I must say, like, you have just enough product for one application. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm looking so weird, but that's how this mask looks like, and I put it all over my nose. It's a peel off format. It's step 2. Now we'll move on to step 3. So step 3 is like a clay mask for your T-zone, and at the back you can see where to apply it and how to apply it. So I'll be applying it on my forehead area. So guys, it's like thick creamy mask, and yeah, it's spreading easily, and it do feel like clay. So I'll not be putting it over my brow area, but I'll be putting a thick application of this mask all over my T-zone, because this thing helps pulling out all the dirt and oils. So it's really good. I really love my clay mask. Like, I use different kind of clay masks, especially from India. So guys, this thing has like little bit more mask than for one single use, but I don't advise you to save it for later use, because on the packaging it says that you have to use it whenever you open it. So yeah, don't save it for later. So instead of like keeping it or like throwing it, try to do a thick layer of this mask. So that's the clay mask, and I cannot smell anything from this mask, so that's good in a way. So guys, now comes step 4, and it's like peel off gold mask for your face, your cheeks and your chin, and that's how it looks like. Now I'll be removing no, I'll not be removing anything. I'll be putting this mask on. So guys, that's how this mask looks like. I'll be spreading it onto my face, and it doesn't smell like anything. Like it's not smelling like Elmer's glue or anything like that. So I'll be careful not mixing two masks and putting it all over my face. And I don't think there'll be enough quantity here to put it all over my cheeks and chin, so we shall see. So guys, that's how this gold peel off mask looks like, but after applying it I feel like I did a little bit of mistake because I still have to put on these eye gels, and I brought this thing a little bit too high, because of which I couldn't apply it properly to this side of my face. And yeah, so yeah, it's quite typical mask. Now I'll be removing these eye gel things and putting it on my, like, under my eye, and waiting for half an hour, and then I'll be coming back, checking up with you guys, telling you what I feel about it. So that's how the eye gels look like. So you have to like, so I'm not sure which one to apply on my face, like this one or this one. So yeah, I think this one. So yeah, so I'll be putting these on. They don't feel like gel, they feel like paper. Oops, I'm sorry, this is actually a paper. Like, this is gel, so I'm supposed to put this thing on, not that thing I showed. I mean, this is like new thing to me too. So yeah, this feels like gel. Oh my god, this is like so slippery and so cool, relaxing. Let me put some here. So guys, my camera is about to die and it can cut me off anytime. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, like, this is like really soft and it like slides and slips. Oh, so I have to like look into my mirror to apply it properly. So that's how it is. It's very slimy, it cuts easily. And now it's on my eye. I'll bring this thing a little bit high up so that I get maximum effect around my eye area. It was quite messy. I thought it'll be like really fun, but I mean it's messy having to apply so many different masks on your face depending upon like different areas. I think it's much better to apply one mask and like get done. But yeah, this is something fancy and I would love to do it if it works. So I'll wait for 30 minutes and get back to you guys with my opinions on this mask. Welcome back guys, and as you can see my mask is almost drying. It's been 20 minutes now and this thing kept on sliding and you can see the marks here. Yeah, so I'll be removing it in front of you guys right away. So first of all, I'll be taking these off, and yeah, they are quite relaxing. I enjoyed these and these are so soft. You can just push them all the way up to your lash line and they won't hurt you. So these were really good. I like these. The only thing was you have to lie down because it slides a lot. So the next thing I want to remove first is my this thing. I think it's dry. Let's see if it peels off. And I can remove this too because it's dry and it's stretching my skin. So let's try. I don't think it's coming off that easily. Guys, here is this mask and it came out pretty easily, but it was quite like it was tight, so it was pulling my skin, but my skin feels very soft after removing this. And you can see this area, this was still wet because of the eye pads, because those kept on sliding and it kept this area moist, so I think I have to take it off using water. Rest everything peeled beautifully, so now I'll remove my nose mask and see if it peels out properly and if it's strong enough to pull out the blackheads and all the gunk. So guys, I'm trying to grab it. I have like really long nails and it's very difficult for me to do it. So yes, that's quite strong. Yeah, and it feels like it's grabbing a lot of blackheads and stuff like that. Helps. It's strong, like it's really strong. I could feel the pull. So as it's off, and I would like to see if it pulled any dirt or blackheads. And yes, it did. I want to show you a close view of it, and if you don't want to be grossed out, you can like skip this part. But if you want to see, here's the up close view. I hope it's picking up, and you can see all the dirt it pulled out of my nose. So guys, rest of the mask I'll remove using water, and I'll be back with you with my views. So guys, that's how my face looks like immediately after removing this mask, and I have nothing on my face. I don't even have any moisturizing cream or anything. It just like bare skin after washing this mask and like patting it dry. That's it. And I just wanted to show you, I think my skin is like improved. It looks a lot better, especially around my eyes. I can see like my eyes look really brighter, and I can't see lines that much, so it's really good. And this area of my face still feels the pull of the mask, but it's like soft, and you can see the shine, and my nose looks more cleaner, and forehead is like good too. So I think the masks worked, and I really love it. It's just that it's too much of a hassle to put them on, but once a week I will not mind it if I get skin like this. So like with first use, I think I love the concept of applying different kinds of masks to like different parts of your skin, and that's how the like my skin looks like after applying it. So it's not like very expensive. If you want to try it on your own, go grab it from Walmart. I think it will be around $3.50 or something like that, and I'm not sure if they sell these masks individually too, because that will be good, because I really love the charcoal mask for the nose and the clay mask. So if they are available, I would love to get them. And yeah, so those were my views on this like multi-masking thing, and I really loved it. I love the way my skin is looking. So that was all for this video guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.